In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in Card. First, open your browser and head to card.co, the home of simple, responsive, one-page sites. From the home page, choose Open Dashboard to get to your workspace. Once you're in, click the project you want to edit so we can place the image exactly where it belongs. Inside the editor, look for the Add control, usually in the toolbar or by the canvas. Choose Image from the menu. This tells Card we're inserting a standalone image element, which you can style and move independently from other content. Next, hit Upload and pick the image file from your computer. Card supports common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. For the best results, use a clear, high-resolution image that isn't excessively large. It will look sharp while still loading quickly. After the upload, you'll see a framing tool. Drag the image to adjust the visible area so the subject sits just right. You can also resize the frame by grabbing the handles until the composition feels balanced. Think about the rule of thirds, or leaving a little breathing room around edges. When you're happy, click Accept to lock in your crop. On the right side panel, you'll find fields to add a title. This acts like descriptive text that can help with accessibility and give viewers context on hover, depending on your settings. If you want the image to be clickable, add a link URL. You can link to another section on your page, an external site, or a larger version of the image. Double check that the link opens the way you prefer, such as in the same tab or a new one. Move to the Appearance tab to refine how the image looks. Here you can switch the shape to a circle or rounded rectangle, adjust alignment, tweak size, add a border or shadow, and control spacing so it fits your layout. Small changes here make a big difference in overall polish. When your adjustments are set, click Done to return to the canvas. Finally, drag the image into position. Snap guides will help you center or align it with nearby elements. If something feels off, you can always select the image again to revisit the crop, appearance, or link settings. And that's it. You've uploaded, cropped, styled, and positioned an image in Card with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy building.